Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Chopper and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. And today, we're teaching you the ins and outs of another classic cocktail, coffee cocktails. Countries and cultures around the world have their own versions of coffee-flavored beverages, but by far the most popular is the espresso martini. Shake vodka, Kahlua, fresh espresso, and simple syrup together for a rich, foamy drink. Garnish with 3 coffee beans, and you've got a cocktail that's going to wake you up. Coffee cocktails are becoming more popular as the years go by, so here are 3 of our favorite brews to start up or top off your night. The White Russian. Vodka and Kahlua create the base of this drink, but adding heavy cream creates a brew-tiful, creamy cocktail that will have you sipping away. The Irish Coffee. Build your cocktail right in the glass with brown sugar, Irish whiskey, and hot coffee. Top her off with some whipped cream for a cozy drink that can start the morning or end the evening. The Roman Holiday. As the name suggests, this Italian delight is full of unique and exciting flavors, such as Campari, cold brew coffee, pineapple juice, sea salt, and cinnamon, which will have you dreaming of a European vacation. There are a few more cocktails that we think are unfrapping believable, like the Nightcap, Midnight Oil, and the Cold Brew Negroni. But what are you loving a latte? Let us know in the comments below. Cheers!